pangkat diligence sa pamumuno ng kanilang gurong tagapayo, Ginang Noemi Velasco Baro, Casio A.P. Jos de los Reyes,
Folioso Maria Meliki Patriarca.
Ganon din, Certificate of Appreciation is proudly presented to Maria Cristina P. Folioso, a Grade 5 Parent Section Diligence. Reyes Yaxel Macviniel de la Cruz. Also, a certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to
Mrs. Yel Bonita. Villapito Alicia Rain Bernabe. Again, Villapito Alicia Rain Bernabe. Also, a certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Mrs. Roslyn B. Villapito. At Zabala Cheda Saira Garcia.
Again, Zabala Cheda Saira Garcia. Also, a certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Mrs. Carol Garcia, Grade 5 Diligence Parent.
Mga batang nagkamit sa ikalimang baita, pangkat fairness sa pamumuno ng kanilang gurong tagapayo,